Hi everybody, it's Tina with Tina's Mystic Crafty Life, and I'm here with hashtag Holiday Coloring 2024, hosted by Sabrina _ Crafty Journey channel. And what it is color a page, how many you want, holiday theme of course, and right now October to me is Halloween, so mine are toward Halloween. So some of these I did last year, like this little girl, I did her last year. And I said in my last video that I would show you one that I did and I framed. So this little girl I did last year, of course. And I think she turned out. I love how I did her hair. And then this is the one I did for Scott and I framed it. There we go. Oops. Keeps moving in the frame. Darn it. There, come on. Oh, whatever. There we go. So I framed this one for Scott, and he has it up in his childhood bedroom, which I call the doghouse. As I told him, if he ever gets him, I kick him out of the bedroom, he can go to the doghouse. So it's a joke. So here's one I did this year, another bottle one, and then I did the cauldron. I think it's so cool looking. And them are the ones that I did for this week. I think they're pretty cool. Or at least these two I did for this week. The cauldron and the bottle. Please go check out Sabrina's, and I don't know who else is participating, but it's a fun activity. So I will see you next week with another one. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.